What is up, party people? Welcome to Baltimore, Maryland.
Good morning, Baltimore. And someday when I take to the floor,
Baltimore, like Detroit, sometimes gets a bad rap, and to some degrees it's warranted. However, it would appear Baltimore is in the midst of a renaissance right now. There are several areas in Baltimore that have developed in quite the cultural hub. That being said, going from cultural hub to cultural hub, you may want to take an Uber if you're traveling solo. Be sure to check out Fells Point, a charming 18th century historic district with antique and craft stores, tons of local coffee shops, and classic cobblestone streets. The National Aquarium is considered one of the world's best aquariums. Its mission is to inspire conservation of the world's aquatic treasures. And of course, Inner Harbor, one of America's oldest seaports, dating back to the 1600s. You can follow the brick promenade through the bustling complex of eateries, stores, museums, entertainment, and children's attractions. You can sample fresh seafood right out of Chesapeake Bay. Here we played the Hippodrome Theater at the France Merrick Performing Arts Center. This legendary theater opened its doors in 1914. I think it's the oldest theater we've played so far. I'm not like 100% positive, but it's turning 105 this year. So, close enough. This gorgeous theater seats just about 3,000. And in 1920, the average weekly attendance was 30,000. We played 3 shows here over the course of 2 days, and the theater threw us an amazing party on our opening night here.
So I forgot to mention that, Rock of Ages is a super fan. He's been following the show since it was on Broadway. We were lucky enough to celebrate his 700th performance during the Saturday matinee.
Oh.
This is Abe.
Hi.
This is his 700th time seeing the show. Not our production of it specifically, but Rock of Ages. He's the biggest fan of Rock of Ages, probably in the world. So that was cool. We had him come up and signed the set and took a picture with the cast. It was a good time. Hi, Abe.
If you haven't been to Baltimore, you've got to come check it out. It's rich with history and has a thriving theater scene, with original works being debuted here all the time. Next stop, Easton, Pennsylvania. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.